Hello guys, just a quick update on the Shelby 350 GT. As you maybe already know, this was a car sold by the official Shelby dealer in Brussels, Belgium. So it was sold by Claude Dubois, and this car was used for the first couple of months by Claude Dubois himself, and then after a couple of months it was sold to a customer with a couple of thousand of kilometers on, so almost new. We fitted the back end to have a look if everything was correct. As you maybe know, with a Shelby, all the glass fiber parts were not that nicely made, so we fitted them now a lot nicer than in the factory. I'm looking for a couple of parts, maybe you can help me. So I'm looking for the lock and the extension piece, and if you can recommend me somebody in the United States that sells me a complete exhaust system, original specification, and also the end piece. As you can see, it's quite rough from a lot of years in a dusty, moldy garage. For the rest, the back end is completely finished, and the next step is we're gonna ice blast the car and then put it in an epoxy primer. So if you're interested, keep on watching. See you next time. Thanks.